Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the job of senior HSE engineer present in company of China Petroleum and Construction. So we discuss the detail of the jobs in further minutes. Senior HSE engineer offshore island position for Abu Dhabi, UAE. We are hiring. Required qualification experience is we are looking for senior HSE engineer to join our new project. Candidate must have an experience in oil and gas, petrochemical, preferably in Middle East, in onshore, offshore, vertical. Experience and education required is minimum 12 to 15 years of experience and 5 years with EPC contractor. Experience in offshore island construction works, bachelor degree in engineering, NIBOSH, IGC for occupation health and safety. So apply with confidence for this position and send your CV to recruitment@cpecc.ae. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for this position and share with other people. Also subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button. Thank you.